Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you guys how to make orange tofu now. Oh my god guys, this recipe is super easy and so tasty. Now if it's it that you want to know how it's done, stick around and don't go nowhere. Remember to press the notification bell, subscribe and like the video guys. So what I've gone ahead and do is to remove some of the pulp from the orange. Now you don't want that little outer skin on it or the little skin on the inside. We just want the pulp, because just like pineapple tofu, when you're eating it, you get some chunks of pineapple in there. Now this is the same thing I want for the orange tofu. I want to have some bite down and some chunks of orange. Alright, so let's get started. But we're also going to be doing some white rice with it. So we're going to steam some rice with some cumin and some onions. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to wash the tofu and boil it in some water. Because I mean, even though it's a firm tofu, when you boil it, it just have a different texture, and I prefer that texture. Alright, so while you're at it washing the tofu, I want you to just wash your rice at the same time. We're doing like about 2 cups of rice. You can add like about a tablespoon of coconut oil. We want to caramelize the onions, alright guys? Yes guys, so you see that it looks perfect now. So what we're going to do is just scoop these over and add the cumin. Oh my god guys, the aroma that all of these releasing is so amazing, man. It smells so nice. The onion and the cumin, phenomenal. Alright guys, so we're going to add some water. Alright guys, so what I did was to kind of drain the tofu on some paper towel. Now we're just going to cut it in half. Can take a little bit more drying. I mean, if you have the time you can press it, but if not, you can just proceed in doing it like how it is right now. And we're just going to cut them in some squares. Yes guys, so you want to get some cornstarch because we want to coat the tofu. But what I like to do, I like to add the seasoning to the cornstarch as well. So what I'm going to do now is to add some garlic powder and some white pepper with some salt and paprika. can just add it now. You can toss them. I don't want you to break them up, so just toss them a little. Alright guys, so move this aside and let's get the sauce ready. Alright, we're going to add some cooking wine. Some sriracha sauce. Some agave. You can use sugar. A little soy sauce. We don't want it to be too dark. Or red pepper. And 1 orange. Now we don't want the seed in it, right? Alright guys, we're also going to use some orange zest. I think this bring out the flavor of the orange taste in the tofu. So we're gonna, you know, just get some zest from the orange. We don't want the white part in there, just some of the zest, right? Yeah man, this bring out the taste. The other day I did this guys and I tell you say it's a 1. But we don't want a lot. Because I tell you the zest is very strong, right? Just about that. The other day when I did it, I think I used too much and it was more on the tangier side. But if you like it tangy, then you know you can use the amount that you want. You can also use this orange, you know, you can soft it up and then you can just juice it and add it to the sauce as well, right? So we're not going to do that. Let's move into getting our vegetables ready. Yes guys, we rice up and ready and now, so see how lovely that look. Alright, so we are going to do the tofu now. We just want them to crisp up on each side. Tell you guys, tofu is so versatile. Whatever you do with chicken, you can basically do with the tofu. Guys, you can let me know what kind of video you want to see now, because me just out here I guess and I create some content. I don't know if you like it or you know if you want me to do more. Always comment man and let me know what you want me to do. And the rub that I put on it is an excellent one. Alright guys, so the same oil that you fry the tofu in, you can go ahead and saute the ginger and the garlic. You want these to release the flavor first before we add anything else, right? Oh my god guys, oh my god. If you don't like the smell of ginger and garlic man when they're being sauteed, something wrong with you. Honestly speaking, the smell is so amazing man. Oh my god. You know what I like? I like the smell of lime and orange, all those citrus things. I like when I squeeze in them and the aroma release. My God, man. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead now and add our onions. Can add the sweet pepper too, but what I don't want you to do, I don't want you to overcook these, right? So as you see them start to come apart a little, we want to add the sauce. Alright, this is perfect. Now we're going to add the sauce that we made earlier. Our orange pulp. Oh God, I'm not like to you guys. The smell is so divine. And the orange zest. Can add the just a little bit of cornstarch to the sauce here to thicken it up. No, don't go ahead and add it all at once because you don't want it too thick, right? Just want it come together really nice. And then add the tofu. I hope you're enjoying this video, guys. Do remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to the channel so we can be able to post more videos for you guys, right? Alright, we're finished now. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let me plate it out and go on something to eat. See you in the next video. Bye.